I think it's a very important day because after 2 days there is going to be counting, and we have to ensure that all efforts by the BJP to steal the mandate of the people of Assam has to be resisted with all might and full force. We have already raised several complaints in the past, none of which have been acted upon, but only thanks to the acute preparations of the Congress party, we've managed to block many of the efforts of the BJP. And therefore we are telling our candidates and to be vigilant, and we are grateful for the presence of our senior observers. Former Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh Bhupesh Baghel ji is here. Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka D.K. Shiv Kumar will be joining us. We have senior Jharkhand leader Bandhu Tirki ji, and also a senior delegation of AICC leaders will be coming to the state today and tomorrow, and they will be appointed in respective districts to ensure that counting is done in a fair and transparent manner.
हम लोग जीतेंगे ना, ये प्रोपेगेंडा करना है गवर्नमेंट को करने दो, लेकिन गवर्नमेंट हम लोग का अपोजिशन का होगा। 70+ सीट में हम लोग जीतेंगे। एग्जिट पोल आप लोग जानते हो ना, लोग करोड़ लोग हम लोग का वोटर्स है, और एग्जिट पोल होता है 1000 में, है ना। तो 1000 लोगों का जो वॉइस है, इसका क्या वैल्यू?
Clear and confirm, and already I have already addressing a press meet, and that exit poll was totally bogus and bullish prediction of the all, because it is a totally they have a clear agenda, and they are trying to some psychological pressure to the party workers and the administrative officials also. So we are going to form the government, and we will get clear majority, and the opposition alliance will form government.